sake of time, we won't do this. Not only FINET, but FRC.
The recent incidents of politically motivated violence must not define our electoral culture or diminish public participation. Democracy thrives when citizens freely express their choices through the ballot, not when fear, intimidation, or violence discourage legitimate participation. Every voter should be able to approach the polling unit, cast a ballot freely, and return home safely, knowing that the institutions responsible for the conduct and security of the elections are fully committed to protecting lives and maintaining public order.